Hey there, foodies! Today, we're going to talk about the essential condiments that make a burger truly delicious. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have cheese. Whether it's cheddar, Swiss, or American, cheese adds a rich and creamy flavor to your burger. Next, we have pickles. They not only add a tangy taste, but also provide a crunchy texture. Now, let's talk about mayonnaise. It's a classic burger condiment, providing a creamy and tangy flavor. Tomato is another must-have. It's not only a healthy option, but also adds a fresh and juicy taste. Lastly, let's not forget about ketchup. It's a classic condiment that enhances the flavor of your burger. So, there you have it, folks. These are the essential condiments that will make your burger a mouth-watering experience. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and food tips. Happy cooking!